In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to attach email in Outlook. So there are three ways you can use for attaching emails. For the first method, we have to firstly create a new mail and then under it, just drag and drop the email you wanna attach. So let's say I wanna attach this email, then I can just drag and drop this onto my email draft like so, and you can see the email got attached, and you can drag and drop as many emails you want. For the second method, we only have to open the mail we wanna attach like so, then tap on the three dots. From here, go to other reply actions and under it click on forward as attachment, and the email will be attached here and you can add your own content. For the last method, we need to switch to Outlook Classic, and to do that, go to help. Now click on go to Classic Outlook, and then it will open this feedback window. Here we can just skip this feedback and it will open the Classic Outlook. In Classic Outlook, create a new email draft. Under it, go to insert, and here we need to tap on three dots. Now click on Outlook item, and from here choose inbox and select the mail you wanna attach. So let's say I wanna attach this mail, then I can just select that, or you can hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and select multiple emails like so, then tap on OK, and your mails will be attached. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.